So, you've got the hottest new MacBook. Then you find out you can't connect any of your stuff. So you think, I'll just need a dongle. Then it turns out you actually need more dongles. All you need is AllHub, the best hub for your new MacBook and most of the Type-C smartphones. AllHub has so many ports, and it supports up to 100 watts USB power delivery. And you can charge your smartphone wirelessly. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports for charging your multiple devices and super fast data transfer, a 4K HDMI output. Yes, I said 4K. SD card and micro SD card slots. It has an Ethernet port, up to 1000 megabits per second. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone line in port. AllHub works perfectly on your smartphones. Transfer data or simply charge your devices. It's also very small and lightweight, so you can take it wherever you go. And turn your smartphone into a computer anywhere you go. AllHub is covered by aluminum housing, so it's tough and durable. That's what she said. AllHub, the hub that satisfies all you need.